Hi there, students. Impetus. An impetus, a noun. Okay, the easy definition of impetus or an impetus is a push to make something go faster, both literally and figuratively. My son was learning to ride his bike and I gave him a push. I gave him some impetus. Pushing the car downhill was easy as the slope, the angle, the gradient gave us extra impetus, extra force pushing us and making us go faster. So impetus, something that stimulates a process or an activity. The bank loan gave the company extra financial impetus. A good teacher can motivate students, and motivation is a very good impetus for learning. A jet turbine gives a plane enough impetus to fly. So impetus, a force that moves something along. A push, an incentive to spur, motivation, stimulus, a catalyst. The new members of the team gave the older players an impetus to play better. New technologies have given significant impetus into many of the ways that things are done. Impetus, a force, a power, energy, momentum, thrust, a driving force. The new laws are aimed to give impetus to economic growth. The deadline was looming, and this acted as an impetus to make us work faster, a stimulant, if you like. So, impetus, extra activity in response to a stimulus. I pedalled faster, which gave added impetus to my bicycle. So what about formality, impetus? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally a push or a stimulus or a motivation, yeah? And as to the origin, as to the origin, it comes from Latin. There's a Latin word, impetus, to attack, to rush upon, upon, and peto, to seek, to attack, to fall upon. Okay, so impetus, extra speed, extra push, extra drive, extra energy. So I hope this video has given added impetus to your desire to learn more English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Impetus.